Okay, so I created this interior design test that's pretty accurate, and my 18-year-old son has been giving it to all of his friends, which I think is so funny because his friends are all on the football team, and these are a set of boys who would never take an interior design test ever. But they're all taking it, which is hilarious. But anyways, he had this one friend who is a little obstinate, and the entire time he was taking the test, he was like, "This is the stupidest test. I hate all these rooms. These is just, why are we even doing that?" He was just like so upset that my son was making him take it. But anyways, it gets to the end and he gets his results, and my son's like, "So, do you like it? Would you have your house that way?" And he's like, "Yes. When I grow up and get married, I'm going to make my wife decorate the house like this because I love it." So it ended up being accurate. But anyways, I thought that was funny. And if you want to take the test too, you can go to the link in my bio and take it there. It's free. Enjoy.